A night out on the town. Understanding pub crawl. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fun and social English phrase, pub crawl. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in a conversation. Pub crawl consists of two words, pub and crawl. Let's understand each word individually. Pub, a place, especially in Britain, where people go to drink alcohol, chat, and sometimes eat. Crawl, to move slowly or with difficulty, especially with your body stretched out along the ground or on hands and knees. Now, when we combine these words, it doesn't literally mean crawling from one pub to another. Instead, it refers to the act of visiting several pubs in one night, usually with a group of friends, having a drink or two at each place. The idea of a pub crawl has its roots in Britain, given the country's rich pub culture. The term crawl, in this context, suggests a slow progression from one place to another, hinting at the leisurely pace of moving from pub to pub and enjoying drinks along the way. Over time, this social activity became popular in other countries as well, making the term more widely recognized. To help you get a better grasp, let's see how pub crawl can be used in various sentences. 1. For my birthday, we're planning a pub crawl around the city center. 2. Have you ever been on a pub crawl? It's a lot of fun. 3. The local students often organize a pub crawl at the start of the academic year. 4. After the third pub on our pub crawl, I realized I'd had enough to drink. There you have it. Now you know all about the phrase pub crawl. It's more than just words, it's an experience, a social outing, and a part of many people's fond memories. We hope this video has shed some light on this fun term, and the next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what it means. Cheers to more learning and happy pub crawling, responsibly, of course.